Thanks so much UKDB Gadgets Pampanga. Nakuha ko po sa kanila itong Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, which is my extra phone for gaming, which is ito kasi naglalag na siya ng konti. So, pinalitan ko siya kaagad. Saka maganda yung specs nito and super legit ng UKDB Gadgets Pampanga kasi mabilis silang kausap, mabilis talaga ng transaction, which is yung payment, yung shipment. Nag-ship sila since Mandaluyong na ako, so one day lang. Naprasa sila after ng bagyo, tapos kinabukasan ako agad. So ito, legit na legit. Look at that, guys. At first glance, you will see here, it looks like an iPhone 16. Yan. So, ang ganda ng sides na those bezels. Look at that. Parang iPhone nga talaga siya. Tsaka ang bilis since 120Hz. Yan. Look at that. Tapos check natin yung settings, yung ilaw. So let's say, I'm going to choose green. Ganda na kulay ah. Blue. Yellow. There's white as well. It's really good. Ang angas guys. Legit na legit UKDB Gadgets Pampanga, which is naganap ako ng pinakamamura siguro at more than 10 na stores na nare-recommend sa TikTok and sa Facebook, and UKDB is one of actually the cheapest store na legit kasi meron iba yung price nito mas mura siya ng 1K or 2K, which is nakasave ako, diba? So yan, so if you want to purchase new phones, legit, cheap, fast transaction, tsaka mabait yung magre-respond sa'yo, yung owner nila, UKDB Gadgets Pampanga. Super legit. Thanks so much guys again. Hope to order another one from you guys. Have a good day and God bless. Goodbye.